nagta-therapy naman ako, but it seems like the pain today is still the same as the pain in day one. Bakit ganun? But you have to feel that pain. You have to go through that in order to heal. Number 2, the second lesson I learned, there's no one right way to heal. Yung pag-use mo ng humor, actually, that's your body's way of protecting you. Diba, alam ko naman na a lot of us mean well, na do this, do that, do this, do that. But sometimes, they just want someone to listen to them.
I'm glad that you're here. Natouch ako kasi sabi ko hindi na ako nag-relate.